Good morning, student. In our previous class, we started this chapter, fiber to fabric. We know about how to fabrics made by yarns and yarns made by fibers. Okay, and we learned about fibers. Basically, are two types, and in this chapter, we learned about animal fibers, and this is wool and silk. So, we read about which type of animals yield wools. The animals that yield wools is agora goat, camel, yak, llama, and alpaca. And we learned about where these animals found. Now maybe we learned about this activity. No. So just look at here. Activity number 3.2. Collect picture of animals whose hair is used as wool. Stick them in your scrapbook. If you are unable to get pictures, try and draw them from the ones given in the book. Find out words for sheep, goat, camel and yak in your local language and also in other language of your country. Now the activity is collect some pictures of these animals that are wool handling animal. Okay, and paste this picture and write their name in your local language on your mother tongue, means in your local language में क्या बोलते हैं and your country पे इसे क्या बोलते हैं. So write their name. Okay, now activity number 3.3. Procure outline map of India and the word. Find out and mark the place on the map where you find animals that provide wool. Use different color to denote the location for different wool yielding animals. Now the another activity is take a map of India or a world and then place the mark where these wool yielding animals are found and color these places into different colors. Just look at here. We learned about agora gods found in Jammu Kashmir. So we know that agoras are from Jammu Kashmir. Camels are found in South America. Camels, llama, they also found in South America. So just find this place and color it. Okay, so come in this next page. From fiber to wool. So for obtaining wool, sheep are reared. Their hair is cut and processed into wool. Let's learn about this process. We know about we get wool fabric from hairs, and we know that hairs are also called fleeces. So there are a process of wool making or obtaining wool. So rearing and breeding of sheep. The first method or first process we can say that rearing and breeding. Rearing means rearing means take care of these animals. Okay, if you travel to the hills and Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim, or the plains of Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat, you can see shepherds taking their herds of sheep for grazing. Um when you travel these hilly places or the Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, you can see some shepherd means the person who take care of sheep. They taking their herds of sheep for grazing. ये आपको grazing करते हुए दिखेंगे sheeps की. Sheeps are herbivorous and prefer grass and leaves. We know that sheep are herbivorous and they only need grass and leaves. Apart from grazing, sheep rears also feed them on maximum of pulses, corn, jowar, oil cake. Oil cake means material left after taking out from the seeds and minerals in water. Sheep are kept indoor and fed on leaves, grain, and dry fodder. We know that sheep are herbivorous, so they only prefer grass and leaves. But a part of grazing means grazing के time में the person who take care of sheep, they not only gives them only leaves and grasses, but they also prefer them mixture of pulses, corn, jar, and oil cakes. Do you know what is oil cake? Oil cakes means a mixture, a material that left after taking out of ऑयल फ्रॉम शीट मीन्स शीट से ऑयल निकालने के बाद में जो भी मटेरियल बचता है दैट्स कॉल्ड ऑयल केक. ओके. एंड मिनरल्स, दे गेट मिनरल्स इन also in water. Sheep are kept indoor and fed a leaf, grain and dry fodder. In the rainy season or in winter, they don't go out and they kept only indoors. And fed means उन्हें only क्या खिलाया जाता है? Leaves, grain and dry fodder. Now sheep are reared in many parts of our country for wool. In India, वूल शीप्स आर रेयर. शीप्स की रेयरिंग बहुत सारे पार्ट्स में होती है. इन टेबल नंबर 3.1 देयर आर सो मेनी places where sheep's reared. Okay, so table number 3.1 gives the name of some breed of sheep reared in our country for producing wool. The quality and texture of the fibers obtained from them is also indicated in the table. Okay. Certain breed of sheep have thick coat of hair and their body which yield good quality wool in large quantity. Some breeds have good and thick coat of hair and their body which yield good quality wool in large quantity. Okay, as mentioned earlier, these sheep are selectively breed. Means when we select a breed that have long and thick hair on their body, these sheep are selectively breed. Okay, with one parent being a sheep of good breed. Once the reared sheep have developed and thick growth of hair is shaved off for getting wool. Once पहले एक बार जब वो शेप्स ग्रोथ हो जाती है, डेवलप हो जाते हैं उनकी हेयर्स के उनकी हेयर का, देन हेयर शेप्ड ऑफ फॉर गेटिंग वूल. फिर हेयर को वो लोग वूल मेकिंग के लिए ले लेते हैं. ओके, नाउ जस्ट firstly look at this in this table, some Indian breed of sheep. There are some Indian breed of sheep. In this first column there are name of breed and the quality of wool and the state where found. The first number of wool breed is Lohi. Lohi has good quality wool and it's from Rajasthan and Punjab. Rampur Buser is a type of breed. They has brown fleeces and they are found in Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. Okay, then Nalis have carpet wool and they are found in Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab also. Then the fourth number is Bhakarwar and these wool used making shawls. And the state where they form is Jammu and Kashmir. Then Marwari is coarse wool and it's from Gujarat. And the last one is Patanwadi, and for Hoshiari, they have used for making hosiery and they are also found in Gujarat. Okay, so now we know about the different types of sheep and their quality of wool. Now Now we learn about the process of fibers into wool. Before starting this process, I'll explain you this process in short. Okay, so just look at here. This is the process of wool making, or the processing of fiber into wool. Okay, so in the step is shearing. Okay, shearing means removing of hairs from their body, means hair removing. Okay, shearing means शेयरिंग में जो प्रोसेस है उसमें द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूविंग हेयर फ्रॉम द बॉडी ऑफ शीप इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्लीस इज कॉल्ड शेयरिंग. ओके, मीन्स जब वो शीप्स की बॉडी से हम हेयर रिमूव करते हैं, इट्स कॉल्ड शेयरिंग. एंड द सेकेंड स्टेप इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ वॉशिंग द फ्लीस दैट रिमूव डस्ट, dirt, dry sweat and grease is called shoring. मीन्स shoring means क्या करते हैं वो लोग? shoring mean they remove the unwanted or waste material or dust from their fleeces and is called scoring. Okay, now this is the second the third step of the wool making is shorting. Okay, shorting is the process. In this process they separating the fleeces of a sheep into section according to their quality. Means this separates the wool according to their quality, according to their length, according to their softness. Okay, like the quality of the wool fiber, जो wool fiber की qualities है, just look at here, such as fine, coarse, long, short, etc. is called shorting. Okay, just like we short these fleeces, it's called sorting. एंड शॉर्टिंग वो किस अकॉर्डिंग पे करते हैं? उनकी कर्सनेस पर, फाइन है या नहीं, लॉन्ग है, शॉर्ट है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. नाउ द फोर्थ प्रोसेस इज डाइंग. In this process they color the brown or white, the fleeces of sheep is white, brown or black. They color these hairs. Okay, and this is called dyeing. Now the fifth process is combing. They comb this fleece and just read it. Combing is a method of prepare woolen fiber for spinning the yarn. This is done by using combs having metal teeth. A comb that have metal teeth, by these comb they combing these fibers. Okay, then the last is spinning. Spinning means they twist two fibers together and then convert these fiber into yarns. Okay, so this is 6 steps of wool making. So let's read this. Let's read this process or this method in our book. So yeah, here it is. Step 1. The fleeces of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is removed from its body. The process is called shearing. Just I tell you about the first step of wool making is shearing. In shearing, where they remove the fleeces from sheep's body. Machines similar to those used by barber are used to shave off hair. Usually hair are removed during the hot weather. Means they use the similar machine, the similar machine that barbers also use these machine for shaving. Okay, just like they use this machine to take off the fleeces from their sheep's body. And the shearing is happens in hot seasons, because we know that here the hairy animals use their hair to make their body warm, and when we remove this their hair in winter, they have difficult to survive. That's why the process is done in hot. Okay, so these enables sheep to survive without their protective coat of hair. The hair provides woolen fiber. Woolen fiber are the process to obtain woolen yarn. Shearing does not hurt the sheep just as it does not hurt when you get a haircut or your father shaves this beard. Okay, this is not harmful for them because we also cuts our hair and our father also shaves their beard, so this is not harmful. um, okay, do you know why? The uppermost layer of the skin is dead. Also the hair of sheep's growth again just as your hair done. एंड उनकी जो अपर लेयर है वो भी डेड हो जाती है. सो व्हेन वी रिमूव दिस, उनके न्यू हेयर्स फिर से ग्रोथ करते हैं एंड जो डेड स्किन्स हैं वो भी रिमूव हो जाती है. ओके, एंड द सेकेंड प्रोसेस इज शोरिंग स्कोरिंग, है ना. सो इन दिस प्रोसेस द शेयर्ड स्किन with hair is thoroughly washed in the tank to remove greases, dust and dirt. This is called scoring. Nowadays scoring is done by machines. Okay, scoring just जैसे मैंने अभी बताया, for removing all the dust or unwanted material from the hair. And the third process is step 3. After scoring, shorting is done. The hairy skin is sent to a factory where the hair of different texture are separated or shorted. Means in this step they short the hairs by their size, by their quality, like soft or coarse. Okay, and the fourth step, the small puffy fibers called burrs are picked out from their hair. These are the same burrs which sometimes appear on your sweater. The fibers are scoured again and dried. This is the wool ready to be drawn into fibers. So they remove the small burrs like structures. Okay, and step number 5, that is dyeing. The fiber can be dyed into various colors as the natural fleece of sheep and goat is black, brown or white. We know that the natural color of fleece is black, brown or white. So if we want different colors, so that's why they colored these fleeces into different colors. Okay, now the step 6, the fibers are strand combed and rolled into yarns. The longer fiber are made into wool or for sweater, and the shorter fiber are spun and woven into woolen cloth. So then they strand it combed means वो उसे straight करके comb करते हैं, then roll into yarns. Okay, and जो longer fibers होते हैं and the longer yarns are make for makes wool and used to make sweater, and the shorter fiber used to woven and used to make woolen cloths. Okay, so just look at these pictures. In this first picture, that is shearing of sheep. Okay, in this second picture, that is scoring in a tank. In this third picture, scoring by machines. ये machines के through scoring हो रही है उनकी. And then the number D is rolling into yarns. Okay, so today we just read about the process of wool making in 6 steps. Okay, so hope you all understand this topic. So this topic is sufficient for today. We will continue this chapter in our next class. Okay, so just look at these step carefully, okay, and note down the short process in your notebook. And and if you are able to answer any questions from this, there you can write these questions in your notebook, okay। अगर आपको ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है, हमारे जितना हमने अभी टॉपिक पढ़ा है उससे रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन आंसर अगर आप कर सकते हो तो प्लीज़ डू दिस क्वेश्चन इन योर notebook, okay। So bye, good day, have a nice day, and if you have any doubt so you can contact me.